Hi everyone, I am Mofalangao and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. As you know that we have got the next lecture that is about might have plus third form, and now we are going to change it from active voice into passive voice. Before starting the lecture, if you have not subscribed the channel, press the bell icon and subscribe the channel for more videos. Let's begin today's topic from active voice into passive voice, that is known as might have. Might have is the past of might, and might is used for actions which might happen 15%. Where you have got the possibility of an action 15%, but there is no 85% chance for an action to be done. So that can be done only 50%. So for the past of might is might have. Active voice and passive voice sentences we have. In active voice, subject does something. In passive voice, subject is affected. When subject does something in a sentence, that will be called doer of an action, and when subject is affected in place of object, that will be called agent. And what is agent? It tells us who does an action. And we have got the rules. When subject takes the place of object, it becomes agent, and when object takes the place of subject, that becomes subject, but not doer of an action. That will be called the title or topic subject which we are talking about. What are simple sentences? Those sentences which make simple statement are called simple sentences. Formula for that is subject might have plus third form object full stop. In passive voice, subject might have been plus third form by agent and full stop. Ali might have watered the plants. Plants might have been watered by Ali. We might have committed mistakes. Mistakes might have been committed by us. Negative sentences, those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement, and refuse the statement are called negative sentences. Ali might not have watered the plants. Plants might not have been watered by Ali. We might not have committed mistakes. Mistakes might not have been committed by us. Here there is a 15% chance of an action to be happened. Interrogative sentences, those sentences in which we ask question and put queries are called interrogative sentences. Might Ali have watered plants? Might plants have been watered by Ali? Might we have committed mistakes? Might mistakes have been committed by us? Formal sentences, those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in a formal way, polite way, respectful way, and we use it with our elders. Might Ali not have watered the plants? Might plants not have been watered by Ali? Might we not have committed mistakes? Might mistakes not have been committed by us? Informal sentences, those sentences in which we deny the statement and ask questions, and we ask them in an informal way, are called informal sentences. We can use them in our friendly atmosphere with juniors, youngers, and with one whom you are close with. And might not short form is mightn't. Mightn't Ali have watered the plants? Mightn't plants have been watered by Ali? Mightn't we have committed mistakes? Mightn't mistakes have been committed by us? So these are the sentences of might have plus third form from active voice into passive voice. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Take care. Goodbye.